Hey, welcome back. This week's recipe from the farm, it's maple season. So I'm going to be doing a roasted root vegetable with maple syrup and some spices. Really tasty, really simple to make, so very delicious. Check it out. All right, I'm going to start off with some sweet potato here. You know, it's funny, songs like get into my head sometimes when I'm doing things on the farm. And I've had more than a feeling, except more than appealing, stuck in my head while I was making this dish. So whether or not you choose to peel the vegetables or not, it's up to you. I just kind of do it based on how I'm feeling. And for this recipe, I chose to peel the sweet potato and the turnip, but nothing else. You can see I'm doing some different cuts, just trying to create some different textures, but keep them like the same thickness, because then I find that they cook up more evenly. There's a turnip there, came out really nicely. I chose to peel that as well. And then I did the beets at the very end, and you'll see later on that I also mixed all the other veggies, added the spices, add some olive oil, but there are no beets in there. And then I did the beets separately so that way the beets wouldn't bleed too much into the other root veggies. It's not really a big deal, it's just an aesthetic thing, but I think it's kind of a nice little step. Lay out the veggies on some parchment paper, helps it roast up really nice after I added some olive oil and the spices. And there I am, mixing up the beets, a little more olive oil, we'll put that on top of the other ones. It'll bleed a little bit, but not very much. I'm gonna keep it really nice looking. Into the oven, 400 degrees, about 45 minutes. And we get that done. Mix it once in a while, stir it once in a while. And then I'm gonna add some maple syrup, toss that, and we are pretty much good to go. All right, a little salt on there. Try this out. That is really, really good. So mapley. Oh my goodness. Wow. Well, until next week, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good. My God.